Hi, welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move a video clip frame by frame in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up Premiere Pro. And I've got this little video clip sequence set up here. And we know that using the arrow keys on our keyboard, so the left arrow key and the right arrow key will allow us to move our timeline cursor frame by frame. You can see we're moving it here frame by frame just by using the arrow keys. But we can also hold down the Alt key, so we can click on a video clip. This one happens to be audio. Doesn't matter if it's video or audio. So let's click on this one, and we can hold down the Alt key on our keyboard, and then we can use the left and right arrows to nudge the video clip frame by frame as well. So this is quite important when you're trying to sequence your video content, especially if you're doing like multicam work. Someone on one of my subscribers asked me how to do this. You can just hold down the left or right arrow key with the Alt key as well. So hold down the Alt key first, and then you can just press the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge an audio clip or a video clip. These ones happen to be joined together, so let's just ungroup them. If we ungroup them, I can just maybe drag this one above, and then I can hold down the Alt key and then just nudge it across like this, and then we can overlap these clips but keep the audio sequenced, right, like this. So that's how you go about nudging a video clip using Adobe Premiere Pro. So all we're basically doing is holding down the Alt key on our keyboard and using the left and right arrow key to nudge the clip. So it doesn't matter if it's audio or video, it will work the same way. Let's minimize this. That's a nice simple tutorial showing you how to move a video clip frame by frame or nudge the video clip frame by frame using Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next DCP web tutorial.